Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a video that I kind of randomly thought of when I was at my boyfriend's house one day and I realized I had forgotten my makeup palette. I think I did have all my foundation stuff and everything, but it gave me a really good idea on how reliant I am on my eyeshadow palette I use it for my contour and I also use it for obviously my eyeshadow. Sometimes I use it for my highlight, but I was thinking when I was in that situation, what the hell would I do without it? So I had to go to work, so I decided to just use whatever was left on my brushes because I had all of my brushes, I just forgot the palette. So I looked up on YouTube to see if anyone's ever done this challenge before. I haven't really found anything besides one video, and it is from a YouTuber named OMG It's Maya. I really like that she kind of had the same idea that I did. I didn't find anything else. She called her video Full Face Using What's Left Over on My Brushes. I will link it below if you want to watch it. I want to give her credit because I couldn't find any other videos like it, and she's doing exactly what I was thinking of. So I have my brushes here with me. This thing's a little crusty. I did my makeup this morning, obviously, so I'm gonna go take this off. I did use most of these brushes today. If I didn't use them today, I've used them in the past week or so. I haven't cleaned any of my brushes in a good month. I was gonna say weeks, but it's probably been a month. I'm disgusting. So I have that. I have my beauty blender that I'm gonna use, which is really disgusting. But I'm curious to see how much even comes off of this. I have my mascara, which I've left out of the tube since this morning, so I don't know how great that's gonna be on my eyes, but we're gonna see. I have my concealer, which my concealer comes with a brush, but I figured I'd still use it today because this one I've been like trying to get the product out of there. It's almost empty, I would say, if not empty. I actually have it in my throw out pile on my desk, and I already have a new one, so I figured I'd use this one because it's the closest thing I could find to what's left on my brush, because using this thing is like tugging at my skin because there's like no product on it. So I figured, why not? Alright, so I'm gonna go clean off whatever makeup I have left from this morning and start with a new fresh face. Alright, now I am all clean and I have a bandana on and obviously changed my shirt, so I'm getting makeup all over it. My first step I usually do is my moisturizer, and I don't ever use a brush or anything for my moisturizer, so I'm gonna have to skip that step, which sucks because my skin is very dry and it is going to be crying after this. So the first thing I'm actually going to be doing is my foundation. That's the first thing I usually do after my moisturizer. With my beauty blender, that is a little bit damp from this morning, and on the other side it has translucent powder. So let's see how this goes. I have a mirror over here, so if I'm looking over here, it's because I'm looking at the mirror. Oh, ew. It has a lot. That's not normal. I mean, it's streaky. There's still a lot left in this thing. And I used it at like 8 a.m. So I don't know how it didn't dry out. I usually bring it all the way down my neck, but I don't think I have enough product. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. Okay. My under eyes literally hurt when I do this because it's like pulling my skin because there's like no product left on here. And that's why it's going to the trash now. And then to blend this out, I use my beauty blender, the other side, which then afterwards I go in with my translucent powder. So it has dried up translucent powder on it, so I'm going to try to use like the sides so I don't get translucent powder all up in my concealer. After that, I use translucent powder, which, like I said, I usually use the damp part of this after my concealer and dip it into the powder, but I'm not going to be able to do that. So I usually use my beauty blender, which has a little bit left on it. I don't think it's really going to be able to do anything, but I'm just going to dab this in. By the way, I don't think I even addressed that. My background's different for you guys. I moved. I'm now living with my boyfriend in a townhouse. So yeah, it looks pretty bland in the background right now. Hopefully I get some lights up and some artwork so it looks a lot better. But for now, this will have to do. And then after that, well, usually while my bake is sitting on, but I don't have any bake, I usually do my eyebrows. Okay, I have a lot of eyeshadow brushes, which I don't even know which one has what on it, to be honest. I think this one has a lighter brown on it, so I'm gonna start with this brush. Let's see. Oh, okay, yeah, it definitely has a lot of product on it. This side has like a darker brown, so I don't know if it's gonna come up. I mean, kind of. I actually don't know what's on this brush. I'm gonna hope it's highlight. Oh yeah. And then I go in with my contour, which I use this little brush, which is something my friend gave me. I think it's like Real Techniques. I'm a little shocked that there's not that much contour on here because like I do my contour very dark and it's showing up a little. I love highlighting my nose. A little too much, I think. My highlight and contour is usually really dramatic, so this is very sad. Alright, I guess that's what I have to do. And then I use my blush brush. This is usually a lot more intense, obviously, but to be honest, it's like still there. Ooh, I didn't even think what I'm gonna do for my lips. Ew, that's gonna look so gross. I'm not gonna wear anything on my lips because I don't have anything. Alright, so I'm gonna use this crusty mascara that I left out since this morning. Honestly, I can already tell it's doing nothing. And this mascara usually makes my lashes like stand up. Oh no. Alright guys, so that actually turned out surprisingly well. I feel like I just look like I'm wearing very natural light makeup. I'm very surprised how much makeup has stayed on my brushes from, especially some of them I haven't used since last week, and some of them I used yesterday morning, and for some reason there's still stuff on them. So I'm very, very surprised that so much stuff stays on my brushes. It really makes me think that I really need to clean my brushes more because that's a lot of product to be just sitting in my brushes. That's gross. As well as just like, I wonder how much product I'm really wasting by, you know, the brush is holding onto it so well. Alright, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more like it. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!